In this video, we will review a few basic transformations with quadratic functions. So question 1, f of x equals x squared, g of x equals x plus 3 squared. So what's the change here? We're adding 3 inside the parentheses. So hopefully some of you remember when we worked with vertex form, x squared has a vertex at 0, 0. It's right in the center of the graph. And if we add 3, the axis of symmetry becomes -3. The vertex becomes -3, 0. So this would be a shift 3 units to the left. I would like to also show it to you on the calculator in case some of you don't remember this rule. You're welcome to put this in a calculator to double check on the test as well. So we start with x squared, and then we have x plus 3, close parentheses, squared. Okay, so if you notice x squared, the red function starts at 0, 0. And then to get to the next function, it moves 3 units to the left. Okay, so we would say that this transformation is a shift 3 units to the left. The next problem is f of x is x squared, g of x is x squared plus 4. So here we are adding 4 outside the parentheses. Let's see what that does. Hopefully some of you already answered this. Let's see it on the graph, x squared and then x squared plus 4. And you see from the red right here to get to the green right here, our parabola shifts up 4 units. Okay, third transformation that we'll look at, x squared to x minus 8 squared. Okay, so we have another change inside the parentheses, and if you remember again with vertex form, inside the parentheses affects the right or left. It affects the axis of symmetry. Where is the center? Where is the center of my graph? So x minus 8 will give us an axis of symmetry at positive 8. So that's 8 units to the right. Let's look at it on the graph again. X squared, and then it becomes x minus 8 squared. Okay, so it goes from 0, 0 to 8, 0. 8 units to the right. Okay, and the fourth transformation, the last transformation we'll look at for today, is from x squared to negative x squared. Think of what that change does. Okay, so it takes all the positive outputs and makes them negative. So what happens to our graph? We go from x squared to negative x squared, and look at that, it turns upside down. It reflects over the x-axis. So the vertex is still at 0, 0, right? But the direction of the graph is different. It started off with all the outputs being positive. Now the outputs are negative. So we have the upside down shape. So we say that this transformation is a reflection. So the graph reflected over the x-axis.